What is boxing in Korean? Boxing in Korean is
권투, 권투.
again. Boxing in Korean is
권투.
How do we write kontu in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable kon, we need to draw first a gyok character, followed by an u character, followed by an o character, followed by a nian character. For the second syllable tu, we need to draw first a tiet character, followed by an u character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to write kontu in Hangul.
And with that you've already learned what is boxing in Korean. Now, let's take the previous word quiz. What is football in Korean? Football in Korean is
축구, 축구.
congrats. Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.